What's up guys, Steven Dux here. Welcome to my new video lessons of the week, and today we're going to talk about the recent plays, and the market's been really boring. Anyway, we're going to talk about OXBR, NASYS, and WMLP. So recently there's a lot of micro flow spiking, they're going gap ups or gap up short, and I personally don't like shorting anything in the flow under 2 million because it can be really easily manipulated, just like MTSL, GBR, and AWX. So people just bought the entire flow, let the naked shorts squeeze each other, and that's why stock go from 2 to 36, and people get margin call, people blow up their account. So on those places with micro flow, please be careful because there's only a couple entries you may take a try and to be potential profit in this specific ticker. But if you are chasing weakness or chasing strength, you can be really heavily stocked and get dumped on or get massive short squeeze. So please be careful shorting those micro low flow stocks. They tend to be really dangerous. So OXBR, not much volume, and I attempted to short, but I didn't try it because the recent general market, it's around 20 to 30 million share traded per day on those penny stock tickers. And in the morning, typically trades about 4 to 5 million shares in the first 2 to 3 hours. So on OXBR, it doesn't trade that much volume. The highest volume candle is about 100,000. That's not enough to take decent positions. And it can be really easy to speculate a bit more or just dump straight off the gate. So the first thing you want to focus on is the volume to decide either you're going to go long or short. So if you see on micro low flow stocks that are starting growing crowded, and it favors more than short because a lot of people cannot go short and then they go long. If you think there's only specific amount of supply and 90% of people are going long and the flow is rotating so many times, there's going to be people that keeps holding the stock for a while. That's why float rotating, it's really benefit to the long side instead of short side, especially on the first green day. Now, on NASYS, and you get a perfect overstaying gap down, but the thing is with overstaying gap down, you need a volume block. If you don't have a volume block, it gaps down. Sometimes you don't have enough good odds to be favored on the short side. But on NASYS, I guess there's no shares to short, so nobody can really short it. And that's why a massive sell off on the open and went back to where it came from at the $4. So WMLP, it's currently halted, news pending, and it's a gap up short. And I'm pretty sure most people already took their profits around in the 2.75 or $3 range because they almost dropped to 100% of the skin. I'm pretty sure any penny stocks, most of the penny stocks, if they have halted for a while, because nobody likes to hold penny stocks that are halted. Most likely going to be a sell-off, but there's going to be that 1% of a chance of penny stock going massive spike. So that's why you don't ever want to get caught in a hole. Sometimes if you got caught in a hole, then unfortunate. But if you are going short and the stock gets T12, then you're most likely benefit on the short side. That's just the general statistics of how halts be behaving for the past 3 years of what I noticed. Now the next thing is lots of people are asking me about the private teaching. Our mastermind class will be taking place in Los Angeles in August 23rd to August 24th. So if you're interested or you want to try it out, go ahead. I will put a link underneath the videos and you can click to go ahead and register. And basically I will be teaching people how to spot level 2 actions, how to spot momentum shift. All the experience I will teach you as much as I can to improve your strength and overcome your weaknesses. So if you're interested, please click the link below and I will see you in Los Angeles very soon. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day.